Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a VS Code extension, Chrome extension, which is really useful and will save you a lot of time. It's called as Open in VS Code Chrome extension. If you directly type this on Google, the very first extension which comes right here, which is this extension, Open in VS Code. So it directly opens the files. It adds this option right here, Open in VS Code, to your right click menu. So first of all, simply add this extension to your Chrome, and after that it will be added right here if you see. Now if you visit any sort of website which contains some source code, let's suppose I go to a GitHub repo which contains a lot of files. So this is my GitHub repo. So if you right click on any file, then this will add this option right here to your context menu, Open in VS Code. So now you can directly open this file in the VS Code by toggling this. Looks like you haven't configured this extension yet. You can find more information. So first of all, you need to provide the settings, remote host, base path, full path to the directory that contains all your cloned repos. Remote host. So you need to first of all set these settings. So I think it is asking you to provide the path of your folder of where your repositories are located. So you will give the path of the folder. Click on save settings. So settings are saved. Again, if you do this, so now it will say open VS Code. So it will now, an external application wants to open. Do you want to open this file or folder? You will say yes. So now you can see automatically the file is opened. So this is the Chrome extension, guys. You can use this extension. It will save you a lot of time. It will add this option as a context menu. Open in VS Code. This is your extension right here. It's used by almost 10,000 people. So you can use this to open files directly inside your VS Code in the browser using this Chrome extension. Thank you very much for watching this video.